I couldn't make ऐसा vlog अंदर से because inside mobile phones are not allowed. People are sneaking in, but I did not like the thought of sneaking in mobile phones. So this is the conch urban where we are staying, and this is the temple where we could get inside and have a look of everything. And this is the check post where we were actually being checked. People are sneaking in mobile phones and taking the pictures of the deities, but I did not like that idea. So I am showing you the temple from here only. This is the temple, and I would want every one of you to come here and enjoy the view and experience it, and don't try to get pictures here. Like, don't sneak in and click pictures aise. No need to do that. You can get many pictures in Google if you type Mayapur ISKCON, so you don't need to click pictures. You just enjoy the presence of the divine. This is the entire premises of ISKCON Mayapur. There the program is going on because of Rath Yatra. The greenery over here is really to die for. And I am also wearing a Gopika dress. I have also got a Gopika dress from here for myself. This is the entire view, and this is a new building that they are making currently, and the deities will be transferred here. And kyunki now Rath Yatra is going on, so you can see the three Jagannath, Balaram, Subhadra's Rath is also present over there. I'll show you what I'm wearing in a while. And this is the tour. So I couldn't get a Gopika dress, but I got myself a cotton lehenga and wore it as a Gopika dress. I got it from Mantra only, and I wanted to wear that. It was my birthday, and this was my entire look. I was really happy wearing that because I was really feeling like a gopi over there, and I wanted to roam around, run around. So this was the coupon for the Prasadam hall. We chose this for lunch. So this pretty tree view you are seeing, this is of Gada Bhavan. So this is also another residential apartment where you can book your tickets for and stay. And here only you get the Prasadam hall, and this is the menu that we chose for lunch, the special thali. So there are different variables. So you can have 150 ka, 100 ka, 80 ka, and also 50 rupees ka prasadam. And there are buffet and thali system too. So you can choose as per your convenience and as per your feasibility. So everyone of us can have prasadam, and that is the counter from where you get to have your token. And once you have the coupon to yourself, you take it and go ahead to the prasadam hall and get yourself food. So this is the view from the parking area. This is the new temple that is being constructed, and just look at the sky and this view. I could not resist myself not showing this view because the sky looks so divine, and this view, it's so magnificent. I just can't even comprehend how much I loved it. So at this scorching heat, we are going to have some prasadam because the timing for prasadam is 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. and that's why we are going now. It's 1 and oh god, I've got chow. But yeah, so we are going now. I'll show you. I don't know camera is allowed or not. We will see if camera is allowed. I'll shoot the entire process, how it goes and how it is. So we will see everything. But if camera is not allowed, then I won't be able to. But I'll try to click some pictures of the thali and all because I feel it will be very aesthetic. And I had the food of ISKCON Kolkata and it was yum. So obviously I'll show you that. Oh sorry, I added show you this look right here, show you this. I did not bring an umbrella. That's very stupid of me, but I did not. I am that person who doesn't carry umbrella anywhere. Like I carry umbrella maybe if it's raining, and then also I'll choose to maybe get drenched. I'm that stupid person. It's not a thing to brag about. Oh wow! Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Wow. So this is the line that we had, and this was the crowd outside the Prasadam hall, and then I'll show you the menu. Look at this delicious food. This entire menu is veg, no onion, no garlic, and I am a super hardcore non-veg food person, but this prasadam made me drool over like anything. So at that moment, I did not even think that this was veg food. Yes, I was like, oh my god, this looks so delicious because it was prasadam. It was prasadam, and I was just waiting, and the vibe was so nice because all of the people were sitting together. There were pictures of Kanha, and every one of us just wanted to have the prasadam. I was feeling so happy inside. It was my birthday, and I was really feeling positive inside. It made so much sense to me at this, like, I'm in my 20s, but it made so much sense to spend time with family and with Lord. And then they served food, and this delicious veg food. It was so fulfilling to the soul. I can't even describe. I had it, and every bit of it tasted so tasty. I just can't emphasize it on enough. Then we returned back home. It was super sunny, so this is how I came back home. Wait for part 2. Bye.